purpose of this video is to demonstrate how to find campus resources, how to find your care team, and how to mark and use the favorites setting. Resources is a directory for students to learn about physical and virtual services available across campuses and lists over 80 different college resources. You will see that the resources are divided by category to help you narrow down the options and easily find and connect with the right resource. Each resource contains a brief description and contact information, including a link to the appropriate Madison College webpage. You can also click on the heart in the upper right-hand corner of each resource to make it a favorite and easily find it through your favorites for easier access later. At the bottom of this view, if needed, you always have the option to make an appointment with your advisor. You can find your care team on the People tab. Your care team is comprised of your current instructors, assigned academic and/or faculty advisor, and your success coach. You can connect with a member of your care team by clicking on their name. In your settings, you will find your name, student ID number, and email. You can also set your preferences for notifications. In the same area, you will also find your favorites.